Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Supercomputer with super water cooling technology, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. This project is a design of a very basic single unit supercomputer developed using single board computers, Raspberry Pi 4 as nodes. One of the nodes is a master node. The master node will control all other nodes of CPU and divide a complex calculation amongst and give us the output. We have created two nodes. You can increase these nodes as per your computation and processing needs. We have also designed a cooling unit for our supercomputer as it performs complex tasks and large calculations, hence can heat up fast. The components used are at least two Raspberry Pi 4 as a supercomputer nodes, two power adapters, water cooling aluminum block, SD cards, thermoelectric cooler for both the Raspberry Pi, 7 mm diameter pipe, water cooling liquid, water reservoir, micro water pump for designing a cooling system for supercomputers, Ethernet cables and Ethernet splitter for providing internet access, a 3D printed case to hold two Raspberry Pi 4. Let us see the demonstration of this project. Here you can see a supercomputer developed using two Raspberry Pi 4, out of which one is set to master node. You can also see the cooling system is working efficiently when the supercomputer is on. Now we will give a problem statement to our supercomputer. We have given a prime number finding problem to our supercomputer, and you can see it is displaying results on the monitor. Interested in developing your own general purpose cluster supercomputer? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.